Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start off by saying, in case you couldn't tell, we've been fishing a lot. This video actually, this is probably one of the best ones this year. Seen multiple fish, and man, it was just a really good day. I fished 7 hours alone, and I'm currently beat, and I'm ready to go out again tonight. So it's just this big loophole with these fish. I hope you guys do enjoy this video because it was really a grind. I enjoyed actually getting out and seeing fish because, you know, it's nice making videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna get out again, hopefully actually catch one this week. But we've been seeing them, so we know what they're eating. So yeah, let's just get to fishing. 68-degree water temps. I'm gonna throw. Start with some blades. Holy shit. Start with some blades. Start with the 8-9 black ice stagger, of course. Actually really like this spot. I caught a few fish off this spot. Yeah, so we'll see. First cast is off. Water temps upper 60s, 68. We had 70 during the main day. Full moon tomorrow, but it's 99% today, so I basically consider it Saturday and Sunday as a full moon. Got a major at 11:51 till 1:51, so we'll be fishing that. We know there's some big fish here, specifically this lake, big lake. So if you don't know where you're going, of course it can be hard, and being it is Saturday, I can expect some kind of water boat, sport boat kind of action day. So it is what it is. These fish really don't seem to care as much because still raise them. So as for this spot, we're fishing some cabbage, broadleaf. That's really it. So, Where's that damn remote, bro? Where's that damn remote, son? This actually... Get that to go. Get that to go. Right there, just like that. Oh, wait. We got one. We got one following. Oh! Yo! That was decent. Mid 40s. Oh, yo! Where did it go? No! That's a great side, though. Oh! Oh, I seen him. Okay, a little bit of cross-reference for you guys here. I seen him up. I seen him, and I wasn't sure, but I still went into the figure eight. Let's see if he comes back. Oh, shit. Oh, we're gonna come back here on a major. Oh, that fish was, I mean, that was a good, it was a 30s, 35, I would say 39 incher. It was smaller, but it would still been a fish. Oh, I was just like, I've been seeing a lot of fake fish, okay, for my figure eights. And I seen that one right there. And I was like, no way that's a fish, right? And sure enough, came around in the 8, so. Oh, I gotta get a cast back out. They're biting 8/9s, so it's a great sign already. This is 209. There it is. We're gonna mark right here, just because it was like this area. In case you don't know, one thing about me, you see all these waypoints, and they're marked fish. Something I always do. Specifically, I mean, you'll remember where you see the big fish, but even like these smaller ones like this, okay, that was a decent fish that was up, but even these fish like this, it's like, you know, you won't always remember it. Give it another year or so. So that's why I just mark every single fish I see. That way you just know, hey, there's fish in this spot. And we got a lot of old marks on here. We'll probably even fish some spots here today, but I'm telling you guys, you gotta mark your fish. I guess we'll kind of do a fishing report here. We've been catching a lot of northerns, a lot of them. I mean, did I just see something, or am I seeing things now? Specifically, what we've been throwing is a lot of smallers, but today I decided to kind of switch it up and go with the black ice IC9 for Musky Frenzy lures, or IC9, that 8/9 stagger. Black ice, absolutely love this color for clear water specifically, just because it's got the tinsel to it, and being we're kind of fishing like these kind of conditions, kind of works good. Actually, looks like we're gonna have some cloud coverage, but we've been fishing 13-ish feet of water with weeds throughout the past few days here, and that's where we've been finding fish. We've been seeing them. Bait fish are in there too, so it kind of makes sense. But we're looking for like these kind of starting weeds, as you see here on the locator. It looks about, here, I'll switch over, and we're on the bottom, and it looks about like as you can see, you can't see it really on side imaging just because of this algae bloom, but you can see them off to the side here. We're looking for this kind of just starting weed growth here. It's coontail. Specifically, I'm looking for broadleaf cabbage. personally, just based off my experience, I've caught a lot of fish on the edge of broadleaf cabbage, so that's my favorite go-to kind of weed when I'm musky fishing. So like I said, we're looking for just 13 feet of water, and I just started throwing these bigger blades here. Well, I take that back. We've been throwing a 8/8. I raised one on the 8/8 custom spanky that I made. But we've been throwing Musky Innovation swimming dogs regular. Those have been really putting a lot of northern in the boat here. So if you're looking for any kind of action, I would say right now start throwing these bigger blades here in these next few days. I mean, the fish, they're starting. We're gonna run this shoreline one last time. They're starting to get into the bigger blades. We've been having these consistent water temps too, which I absolutely love. So yeah, Musky Innovation swimming dogs, smaller bucktails. Just these smaller kind of presentations have been what's working for us. So yeah, I would say the 8/8s here, these are going to be the hot next lure following these couple days. Hell, that one was pretty fired up on the 8/9 stagger, so absolutely love this. Oh, there's one. Oh. He's just sitting here. He's just sitting here. He's just sitting here, dude. Oh, yo, come on. Come on. Oh, he's going to it. He's going to it. Eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Well, I just want to say thank you for watching this video to the end. Both of my GoPro batteries died, by the way. That's why we switched back over to the YOLO Tech. And that's why you can see that one fish. But man, that was an unreal experience. I really actually am definitely going to be going both back on these fish tomorrow. It's full moon. Of course, best time to be musky fishing. So looking forward to that. Anyways, just appreciate you guys watching to the end. We got more GoPro batteries coming, so you'll be seeing more head cam instead of YOLO Tech, because YOLO Tech doesn't do that good of a job, which eventually I'm going to get another GoPro to have on the YOLO Tech all the time. But anyways, thank you again. Leave a like on this video, and of course we're going to get some more musky videos here soon.